Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to fix any Android mobile phone that is giving you the problem of home, minimize and the back button. Before we get started, please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, then give me thumbs up, then make sure you like my video. It's the same thing as thumbs up. Don't forget to on your notification so that you can get notified anytime we upload new video. So please you can also share our video with friends. Now let's get started. Please don't miss any of these steps. If you really want this video to work for you, make sure you complete the video. Now I will give you a link in the description below for you guys to download this application. As you can see, no button that is working here, so we have to restart this phone and power it on for us to go back to the main menu. Thank you for waiting. It's rebooting. Thanks for watching. Now it's ready. Then you click on this home menu button. Look for any browser, but I'm going to make use of Opera Mini. Then you will now search for soft keys home back button. Search it on internet. Then it will bring some different types of application, but the major one that I use, I think, is the best and reliable. So guys, I will not deceive you. Sorry, this thing is just highlighting, and that is not what I need. Though, let us just leave this one. Just search what I asked you to search. I've already downloaded it. So let me open it and show you. As you can see, look at it. This is the two files. It's the same thing. Just pick one out of the two, then you install. Let me show you again. I think you can see it. Soft key. I'm waiting for you. I just want you to get the name very well. That's why I delay the time. Now you click on the one out of the two, then click open. It's asking whether I want to replace the one I installed before, then install. Let it finish. Please don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel, please. As you can see, I've finished it. Then click on these settings. As you look at this, you can fade it out. Then you can create a background to it. This is the background side. Now you can also increase the size and decrease it. I think I see it. Look at it. Look at this. So this is the size that I want. Then if you want the background to fade out, you can also see. Then click on the settings to activate this button. Then on it, click OK. That's all. I think I see the button. Look at the button. It's functioning now. I think I can see it. It's functioning. It's working fine. This one cannot work, but this is working perfectly. So thanks for watching my video. Please make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then give me thumbs up, like my video, on your bell icon to get more notification anytime we upload video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.